Good morning, welcome, good morning. Okay. Nasdaq took that high. Nasdaq took that high in the daily. Now we're waiting on a break to the downside here. Waiting for the downside break. If he breaks here, then we're going down. We're trading in this zone in here, just high and that low. So he wants to break. It's been going up a lot. It's been going up for weeks. For weeks. Look at this shit. So when it drops, it's gonna fucking drop like a fucking melon. Let's wait. Let's wait for market to break shift, because we don't want to buy up here. Up here, we're at premium prices. We don't want to buy up here. We don't know where it wants to go. We don't want to. We do not know where. If it doesn't break to the downside, where's it going? We have nothing up here. See, he already broke this high here. Also, already took it and dropped. If this was gonna continue going up, this down move candle would have been another up candle, and then going down to reprice to this high. It didn't. It broke and it came back into the zone. That means that's a run on stops. So this is a run on stops in the daily. Then we're looking for the hourly break a market shift to the downside here. He has to close. He has to close with a bodies underneath the lows, so we breaking lows. Once that happens, once he breaks to the low, now we wait for a pullback to make a lower high. Then he's gonna start making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs until it gets to the bottom. So we're just gonna be patient and just wait for the break of market shift. Good morning, people. Welcome in. Welcome in. Well, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, Rise? How was your weekend? My weekend was nice. Went to the beach yesterday. It was raining, so we came back home. Had a barbecue at the house and went to the pool. I relaxed. I'm just waiting on a market shift break to the downside, and then we look for exhausted, huh? But you slept good. That's good. That's good. You said it was a good move yesterday. Did you get it? I mean, what do you trade? What you trade Nasdaq or what is it? Gold. What? Gold had a nice setup yesterday. Look at this. Look at this baby. QQQ on this spine. It's the same. I think you can do the same thing. I believe it's the same structure, same everything. So yesterday, I'm gonna show you something right now before 9:30. What time is it? 9:24. So yesterday I was looking at this, and when he came down here, see, remember Friday I said don't buy this. It wasn't going up. It wasn't. It got stuck here. So everybody that bought this down here, Sunday got killed. It didn't even give him a chance to get out. You see, quick, out, took him out. That means this right here, it's a long-term swing low. Okay. If you see this a long-term swing low, you wait. You're waiting for what? You're waiting for another intermediate term swing low. Intermediate term. So we got a long-term swing low. You would this is your signal that is going up. Then it's gonna come back down. It's gonna make an intermediate term high, low, swing low, and then it's gonna give you your short-term swing low right here. When you see that short-term swing low, once it comes in the box, you're in that bitch. Watch this. As long I was driving too, and this candle here came down into, I bought it, and I didn't put a stop loss in it. And then when I got to a stop sign, what I saw it was on the way up. So I put my stop loss right underneath. You can put it underneath here, but don't trust it. You gotta put it underneath this low here. This is a short-term low, so this is your protective low here. So your stop loss goes here. You see? And then look at this shit. It went all the way up this motherfucker. I got out here. I bought here to here because this is right here is mad clean. There's nothing gone up this high is here. So I bought to here. See, it went boom, and then it came back down, and then see ya. So you always wait for 3 swing lows. You see how I taught you guys that swing lows is a candle high with a high to the right and a high to the left. It's the same thing on the bottom. See, this is a low with a lower high, with a higher low to the left and a higher low to the right. That's a swing low. You see, this is the low. This is the low to the left, and this is the low to the right. And what does this do? Broke market shift to the upside here. See, once you see this, you say I'm all set. I'm going up. But you cannot buy here because it's gonna go up and then it's gonna come back down. Once it comes back down, you gotta be scared because your win is gonna go back to even 0, and then it's gonna go back up. So new traders get in and see this move on the way down. Oh shit, it's coming back down. I gotta get out. And they get out, and then what time is it? 9:27. Let's check out the NASDAQ open. See what happens. This is the opening weekly gap. Why do you use this gap for? Why do you use the opening week gap for direction in the market? So this opening day gap, you can use it for like a Thursday reversal. It has to be at the open. It has to be at the open of Sunday's candle and the close of Friday's candle. And when you're in the week, in the regular trading hours, in the electronic trading hours, if price is up here and you see a break through the downside, it's coming back to this gap, to the middle of the gap. If price goes all the way up here. And it also can be the weekly accumulation stage. It can accumulate in here all week and not even move. See, this is yesterday's close, 4:14. Let's see where it opens. If it's a big gap, there's gonna be movement. If there's a small gap, it's gonna be slow and hectic. Ding 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 ding. Market open. Market open. Right here. Right to the right door. What did I? Right down to the fucking middle of the gap. Of the opening gap. But see how small the gap is? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. See you later. I say see you later to the days like this. I don't even trust the market. Gotta be because probably yesterday was so long. Let me see. If yesterday was a long range day, today is gonna be accumulation day or reverse and then accumulation. The 30. Friday. Let's see. But it's a small gap. I'm not even gonna fuck with this shit. Let's go back to electronics. Did we break to the downside? Did we break to the downside? Yes or no, people? You guys know? Yes or no? Yes or no? Not yet. Did we get to my order block? I had an order block in that 1 hour. I don't trust this going up more. You already broke the high from December 2024. That's the high from December 2024. He took it today, June of 2025. And it, boom, turned around. That means this is an inside candle. So this is a daily. If this stays inside this candle, this is an inside candle. We gotta wait till the next candle, see what happens. Right here, we have to break underneath this low to break market shift. If we break underneath, that's breaking lows. Break the low and then go back up and retest. And if it makes a imbalance, it's gonna fill in the imbalance. So I'm not bearish yet until it breaks. We just filled in here. This is a volume imbalance here with a little gap. Did it fill it in? No, it did not. No, it did not. Follow me, people. Follow me. Follow me. Let's try to make some money this year. Wait a minute. Where's my coffee? Gotcha. Well, the rest of what happens this year. This move here is not breaking to the upside yet. See, this is holding price here. That's the 5 minutes. Always look for higher time frames bias. 15, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. And then trust the lower time frames. Do not only go to the lower time frames and trade. You gotta see what's going on in the market in the high time frames. And people, don't trade like this. You can't trade like this. How I see people trading like, what are you fucking watching? You gotta watch the whole fucking thing. If you watch the whole thing, you see what the market is doing. See what the market is doing from left to right. And then you can have a future of what it's doing. You see? If you go to the 1 hour, I always look for the 3-day look back. What is the 3-day look back? Well, we're here today, Tuesday. We got 1, 2, 3. Where are the stops? The bottom. It took the highs already. See? Boom. This run right here, that's the run on stops yesterday. Took out. came back into the zone. All we have to do wait now is just break a market shift to the downside. That's it. That's it, and we got this, bitches. Just be patient. A lot of people sold this shit right here. Why? Why are you selling this shit? It's not even giving you any entry or nothing up in this bitch. And then boom, took them out. So now on the top, now we looking for what? Swing highs. If we don't want, if you don't see swing highs, why you want to buy or sell? Or I mean, why you want to sell if you're not seeing swing highs? High with a lower high to the right, a lower high to the left. That's a swing high. So now let's see if he wants to make an intermediate swing high into a short-term swing high, and then in that short-term swing high, that's where we fucking trade. You wait for the 3 swings. Told you. Market does things in threes always. Sometimes tricks you into a four move, but that's sometimes. That's when it's looking for liquidity. Any questions, hit me up, peoples. Share my live. Follow me on TikTok. I also have a YouTube channel with traders that don't know nothing about the market, that don't even know how the candles open and close. It's there. I show you everything on YouTube. How to open a trading view, how to open your websites that you need, like the news. I didn't even check the news today. What are you doing? Oh, we got news at 9:30. Oh, that one passed already. And news at 10. So the folders, you can click on the folders and it tells you what they're gonna talk about. Oh, right here. You can click on this and it tells you here. See everything what they're doing, what they want to do. Actual 48 forecast. That's a lot. I think this motherfucker's gonna bearish. Actuals lesser than forecast, I believe is bearish. Have to double check that on my notes. It's a lot of shit that I have. I have 5 notebooks, 1 3 divider and 4 big ones, all full of notes. All my shit is there. Those notebooks are done. We're done. I'm done. So see this high and this low. That's the accumulation high and low. It took out the low. If this fucker inverts this fair value gap to the upside, I'm buying this bitch. It did already. Inverted it to the upside. But this news at 10. I'm not in the market before news. So if it goes, it goes. But it inverted this fair value gap here to the upside. So let's see if he wants to come grab this bitch up here. There's mad stops up here. Gotta learn to be patient and look what you look at what you want. You want to look at the market in a different way than thinking about it. When you think about it, when you think too much, your brain don't let you trade. You gotta look. You gotta with your eyes. See what you're looking at. You Catch yourself thinking too much, don't put in a trade. This also broke to the downside in the candle here with the bodies closed underneath this low. See how this move here went up and filled this wick up to the part of the middle. I'm gonna tell you right now. Yes, sir. To the middle, see? Took out buy stops. That's a new high. That's a new low. We're going back to equilibrium. You use the wicks down here, use the wicks up here. That's still a high. This one took out the highs here. So we got the wick here. Gotcha. So let's see if he wants to come to the middle, break to the top, going up. If it stays here, it's coming back down. What is my gold doing? Killed this fucker yesterday. It's not a new high. People fucking selling this bitch. It's gonna take him out. He has to close underneath this low here. This low here. Yeah, that's a... See how this candle's body is fatter than this more right here? I like this one to break market shift. So it has to, bodies has to close underneath this low for it to break market shift to the downside. But I don't think it's gonna do it because this is not... That's not a new high. I don't like it. It's 3. I like when it's 2 like twin towers. There's 3 highs here. Thank you, Gashai. Thank you for the follow. Share my live, people. Share my live. Let's try to make some money, but we gotta be patient. Follow me. Follow me on TikTok. Get educated about the market. Do not trade without education. If you trade without education, you're gonna fail. That's why 90% of traders fail, because they go in here with no education at all. You see how he left all this 3 wicks up here? I don't like that. I don't like this at all. I don't trust this going bearish right now. Powell today, huh? Yeah, Powell. Fuck that. I don't care what they say. I know they use this shit just to manipulate us. That's all they use this shit for. Yeah. Oh, at 9:30. What did it do? It didn't do shit, right? Let's see. I guess his word wasn't nothing today. Look, it didn't do nothing. Nah. Did it take the lows? Yeah, it did. It just ran the stops here. That's it. And that's it. Let's check out the dollar. Oof. The dollar's on the downside. Downside. We're trading inside this in the daily chart. That's the range the daily's trading from this high to this low down here. It's an accumulation since 2023. Broke to the upside here and then dump. See ya. I believe it's coming for this lows. 89.18, 89.018. These are here relative equal lows here, see? And there's 3 of them too. That's not, when it's 3 of them, I fucking love that. You see all the three right here, three kings didn't even go up there to get them. So if you were bullish up to up here, you're done. You only came to fill in this imbalance here and hit the auto block. Bounce. See ya. Now he broke through this lows here. Now the only thing it has to do is come back and reprice to this auto block here to continue going down. So it might come hit that third quadrant and then go back up and then bounce. You know about quadrants? ¿Cómo se llama? Rise, you know about quadrants? Okay. You don't know much. Don't be trading live money if you don't know much, right? Don't, your psychology is gonna go off the roof. So from the high to the low, that's a range, right? Okay, from the high to the low, that's a range. Okay. You have a fib. You use a Fibonacci. You use a fib. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So my fib, I only use it for highs and lows, equilibrium, and quadrants. I don't care about anything else. I don't give a shit. For real. So when you put your fib from the 0 to the 1, you have your 0.75, which is your first well, from up down. This is gonna be your first quadrant. Your second quadrant, that's equilibrium. This is your third quadrant, and then you have your low. Okay. Inside this quadrant is where we look for our break of market shift, for PDRAs, and then let me show you something else. Inside the quadrants, you have more quadrants. You see? You have a lot to learn. You see this? So inside the quadrant, you have your what? Your what? Tell me. What's up here? Premium, premium discount. So when I tell you that price goes from premium to discount, inside the quadrant goes from premium to discount, back to premium, back to discount, back to premium. See ya. You understand? That's how this market structure, like for real. This is like market structure, like no, like my this. I'm talking to you like my mentor talked to me. This is how we look for our shit, our PDRAs. Look how premium discount. This is no. This is not. What's it called? Support and resistance. This is not. Oh my God! There's so many sellers. It's going down because there's a million sellers. Bitches, it's going up. If there's a million sellers here, this bitch gonna go up. It doesn't matter how many sellers are here. It's gonna go up. Pascual, which target, Papa? I'm not understanding what you're saying. Oh, the dollar. The dollar is already or the dollar already passed 98. The dollar has to come to the quadrant and then come back and reprice to the auto block to continue going down. But he already passed the 98. See, 98 is here. The dollar. So if the dollar is bearish, that means that our pairs are bullish. You cannot go against the with the dollar. The dollar is bearish. Our Nasdaq futures, forex, all these bitches are bullish. You already this fair value gap in the daily inverted to the upside. Do not sell this shit right now, people. If you're selling this shit, don't sell this shit right now. I'm sorry, but not yet. You gotta wait. The daily, I just saw this too. Inverted. So inverted this fair value gap to the upside. See? So on the way down, it has to come down, make it a bearish fair value gap again, reprice to this bitch, and then drop. So we have a lot of waiting. There is nothing in the daily telling me it's gonna break market structure to the downside. See, nothing here. If they do break it over here, it's gonna be a short term, so it can bounce back up until the dollar, returns back to the upside. We cannot sell this. This is your low. This is your new low here. See, so if this is a new low, why you think it's gonna come down without making a new high? It has to make a new high. I don't know about target stocks. I don't look at stocks right now, Pascual. I'm sorry. I do Nasdaq, S&P 500, and gold right now. Until I am comfortable enough to go and check out Target and check out stocks. If they're going up, they're going down, I'll do it. But for right now, we're sticking to Nasdaq, S&P 500. I don't know about Target or nothing like that yet. I do have thanks for your like, everybody that does it, and Pascual also. I do have a thing with stocks, but I haven't seen it for the longest time. So from this high to this low, we're right in the middle of the range. See? So why are you buying or selling if you're in the middle of the? I don't even have my fib on, and I already know I'm in the middle of the range. So there's no buying or selling in the middle of the range, my people. I just put my fib on, and where is it? Right in the middle of the fucking range. Just with your eyes, cause I'm trading with my eyes. I'm not trading with my mind. I'm trading with my eyes. I can see it. High, low, middle, right here. So now we wait. If he takes out the high, comes back, it's taking the low. If he's gonna take the low, it's gonna go back up. So if we're bullish, we wanna see the low taken out first, cause he has to. Now we left this right here. See. So I want to see if it's tricking people into buying right now. Buy, I'm going up. Buy, bitches, buy. You're gonna drop it, fill in this wicks here, and then go back up. Cause the bodies, I don't care about the wicks. I don't want to see it take the bodies. See how it hasn't taken the bodies yet? It can take the bodies, fill in the wicks here. Once it takes the bodies, it takes stops. And then, but it can also be a side day, because look at this move yesterday. This move from Friday. And then yesterday sideways. You're welcome. You're welcome. Wow, my people, I got 93 people watching. Woo! Thank you, Lordy Lord. Thank you, Lord. You're big. I haven't had more than 10 people watching, and I started 2-3 weeks ago. Thank you, my peoples. This is educational. This is real educational, real market structure. Right here, all people are buying and selling. Oh, I want to buy, I want to sell, I want to buy and sell. It's not doing anything. It's in the middle of the range. Right here, we have an order block. Wait, what's this? Displacement. Fair value gap. Bottom imbalances, fair value gaps. So yesterday, that trade that I took from gold, right? In my short-term low, because this is a short-term low here. 5 minutes. I took this trade in the 5 minutes, okay? Check this out. That was from yesterday. So, remember the box trade I showed you, right? It goes from the long-term swing low up here, right? This one didn't make it to the middle, see? And it did not give you a straight twin towers. You see? The next one, this is your intermediate term swing low. It wicked the middle, see? But it did not give you twin towers. You see that? Short term swing low. Twin towers. This one's longer. Why? Because it break market shift to the upside. This one right here is your swing low. This right here is sell stops. Right here. Took them. Back up. Broke to the upside. On the way down, this doesn't have to come to the middle because it's in a hurry to get up there. So don't expect a short-term swing low to come down to the middle. As soon as it comes into the box, you fucking buy this bitch. Your stop is gonna be a little bit, but as soon as it breaks to the upside, you move your stop loss. So if you buy in the box right here on the top, you bought that shit, right? You wait for what? For break of this high right here. Once it breaks to the upside here, now your stop loss can go up to break even, and then just let it go. Once it breaks, it makes this here, and it breaks to the upside here again, then your stop loss goes right here. You see that? You see how it came down, not even fucking touched it? Not even touched that low. So you want to give it a little bit of wiggle room. Maybe 5 ticks below it. 5, and then up. It's easy, man. Trading is fucking easy. All you gotta see is look at it. Look at what you're looking at, and then just think about just once you put your trade in and you're in profit, just manage it. When you're in profit, manage it nice and slow. This right here, relative equal highs, very clean price action here. Clean, nothing went up this high. You see that? That's clean, man. As soon as I saw that, I was like, this motherfucker's going up here. Just wait. For short term long. If you're here, if you buy here, they say you buy here. Oh, I bought this. Oh, yeah. I'm in fucking profit. And then, boom, it didn't even take out this high right here. See? See that? It didn't take out the high. With the bodies. You see that? Not wow now. Oh shit, it's coming back. I gotta get out of this fucking trade. Oh my god. Oh shit, it's coming back against me. Now I'm fucking done. Oh man, I gotta get out. Get out and break even. Boom, get out. You get out of the trade. What happens next? Boom, see ya. Gotta wait for your third swing low. That's your sure thing that your trade is gonna be profit. Nice, quick profit. You don't want to be in drawdown. Profit quick. When I bought this, I was driving too. I can't do that shit. I saw the candle coming in. I buy this bitch, and it went into drawdown like $1 and right up. You see that? When here is gonna fuck up your brain, your mind. You're gonna be fucking thinking all sorts of shit. And when this is shit right here, you understand? This is for tricking traders into buying and selling, picking up orders. You see all these highs right here? It didn't take them with the bodies. This high here, look at into here. See the short-term swing low took it with the bodies. You're done. You're going up. Yes, ma'am. Free. Tap the screen. Give me. Well, I'm not asking for anything. I just want to follows, and you can share my live. Follows and share my live. I'm not asking for anything else. So, and then I got out here. I was like, let me see where this bitch goes. And he went all the fuck way up here. Why did it go all the way up here? I'm gonna show you one more thing. Write this shit down. You see this candle right here? The up. This is a high, right? Nothing went up there. Nothing tagged it. Look at it. Nothing tagged that high. Nothing at all. right? Took out the low right here. Took out the low of this candle. Down, down, all the way down to whatever we needed to do. Then when it came back up, where did it go? Yeah, whoever bought this yesterday instead in this bitch made mad money and congratulations. But I didn't see it until last night. I was like, oh man, I saw. I didn't see it because I was driving like I was playing. I was driving, so I didn't see this until last night. And it was already too late. If I would have seen this while I was driving, I would have kept my trade on all the way up here. But you have to, because you're a daily trader, you have to babysit it because you don't know where he wants to get into here and then drop. You don't know if he's gonna get up here. Yesterday, it could have come down today and then gone up to, and it could have come down last night and then gone up today. But he made it there yesterday, so I'm believing all this move from yesterday. Excuse me, gold is gonna go sideways today because all he gave a lot of money out yesterday. I believe it's gonna stay here the rest of the day. See, already broke to the upside here. Oh man, we missed the fucking trade. I'm sorry, people. Shh. That's a trade right there. Did we miss it? Let me see. Don't do nothing. I'm not saying for you guys to buy or sell. Don't do nothing on my word. Do what you gotta do on you. If you're a new trader, no, we're not. I got back to my mind. Okay, we're waiting for it to break one of the highs or the lows. Okay, we're waiting to break the low. Once it breaks the low, then we look for a trade going up here. So let's just make it probably not be today, my people. Probably not be today because it gave out a lot of money yesterday, gold. And this bitch Friday gave out a lot of money too. See, it's been going up long. See all this for weeks. It's been going up, up. So we can accumulate here and then make a market break to the downside because I already took out the highs on the daily. 1,000 loves. Thank you for the love. Jesus, never seen 1,000 love in 2 weeks that I've been here. Thank you, my peoples. Thank you for following me. Thank you for sharing my live. Get yourself a notebook, a pen, cause every day you're gonna hear different shit. And if I'm talking too much, let me know. I'll shut the fuck up. There's no trading right now. I'm not trading in the middle of the range. I do not do that. If you want to do it, you do it. And you let me know how it goes. I want to know how it goes. High right here. See, if it's going to go up, it has to break this high here. It didn't break it. See, it came in, bottom imbalance. Filled it in. Might want to come down, get sell stops before going up. So let's wait for it to take sell stops. Take sell stops for what? Because they take sell stops, sell them up here to the buyers up here. Up here, there's a lot of buyers here. Now there's buyer here. And now with this move down, a lot of people, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Sell stops here, there's more buyers here. Buyers. Sellers are gone. See, he's taking out the sellers. Taking out the sellers, but I don't think it's done yet. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you for your follow. Share my live, please. Get more people up in here so they can get educated on the market. Once I get enough followers, I'm gonna open up a $50,000 account and we're gonna fucking pass that bitch here in front of all you guys. You guys gonna help me pass that $50,000 account. I already have a $10,000 I'm working on a $10,000 account I'm working on, which I passed already. I have it on my phone. But there's no trade, I don't. I don't. The ego rise. Hell yeah, you too. Hell yeah. God bless. Want to talk about psychology while this shit moves? You put your fib from the long wick. You see that? If this would have been bearish, it would have crossed the wick and closed down here. See how it didn't close down here? This was Friday. Oh no. Yeah, Friday to Monday. 5 minutes. So yeah, this Friday. No, sorry. Yeah, this is Monday. This is yesterday. So yesterday, if you were trading in here, if you were here yesterday, I didn't trade Nasdaq yesterday because I saw this shit. So I like fuck that. I'm gonna fucking check out gold. You see this shit? The traders here are getting killed. Whoever traded Nasdaq yesterday. But and then it give you the sign. What sign? The wick. What? What wick? This bitch right here. This bitch right here. So let's say that your window has shades, right? And you open a shade and the sun hits you right in the fucking face. What you gonna do? Close the shade back up. What happens here is closing the shade back up. See? But I believe because of this wick, I believe he has to bring the bodies in. See wick? I believe he has to come back down. Let's wait. Let's just wait. And you see up here how his bodies and didn't want to go past the middle of it. It's coming down right here to get these. This is just getting people into fucking buying this bitch early, see? Buy. Put your stop loss here. Your stop loss here. Your stop loss here. It's not gonna go up. I mean, it's not gonna go down. Nah, hell no. That shit ain't going down. We're making fucking money. We're making money. Watch this. I want to take these fuckers out. I don't want these bitches now. Sorry, people. Sorry. Welcome in. Good morning. Enjoy the live. Get yourself paper and pen. If you're coming in now, you're coming in late. You missing from me a lot of information I gave out. There's videos that I do live here on TikTok. I put it live on YouTube. So if you want to go back and check information that I gave out that you missed on, you can go to my YouTube channel, subscribe there for free because everything is for free, my people. It's not that I'm not charging anything. I'm not scamming nobody. If I'm not charging you, that means I'm not scamming you, am I right? And anybody that's charging you for information, you're a fucking sucker if you go in there and you pay for it. Cause there's so much information from the markets on YouTube and TikTok now, but I don't know. You just gotta to find the right one. I don't like this as a new low, you see. And for me, a new low has to be like this, you know, with the highs here, take and boom, high, bam, down, see? And then breaks under here, that means broke market shit to the downside. And it hasn't made that new low yet, so I don't think I believe it's coming down. If you bought this, watch out, because it's stuck right here in this bottom imbalance. Right here. See how it's stuck there? That's a PDRA, volume imbalance. Yes. And all of these are not like, I don't know how, I don't know people. All of these are not swing highs and swing lows. See, not all, I mean it's a swing high, yes, but it's not. It you gotta see what it's doing. You gotta see what it's doing. You understand? You gotta see the. You have to understand the candles. To understand the swing highs, you gotta understand the candles, how it closes and where it closes. Because you see this candle, how it this candle here didn't not close underneath this low here, this open here. The body stayed on top. So if the body stayed on top, that means it's not going down right now at this moment down here. See? Then it came down, it gave you what? Sell, sell, sell. And what happened? Back up. Took them out. Right on top of here, people put stop loss here, here. They're done. Now if this would have closed underneath here, then I would have looked for price to come here and then down. Right away. Like not this here, like right away. Up and down. Come on, baby. Take my stops. Take my stops. I told you I want the stops right here. This is today. This is the opening day today. Didn't make a gap. Opening day today did not make a gap. This is 4:50. This yesterday's close at 4:55, and this is today's open at 6 p.m. yesterday. Excuse me. Market closes at 4:55 for an hour. That's the end of the day. The open of Tuesday is Monday at 6 p.m. That's the open of Tuesday. Went up, came down, took out sell stops, but the bodies did not come down. You see. So if the bodies did not come did not close underneath that low, why are you selling this bitch? The bodies gotta close underneath the wick. You see that? Did not. Went back up. Here. What did that body do? Check this out. What did this body do here under this wick? Didn't it close underneath the body? See? Now I'm bearish. Check out this lows here. So you gotta see what the market is doing, what the candles are doing before buying and selling. If it goes up, goes up. Then if it goes up, then we gotta look for a reversal tomorrow, Thursday. But you just gotta wait, cause today's gonna be a side day. Picking up orders, picking up orders, picking up orders. I see tomorrow wants to move. What is S&P doing over here? Oh, this is S&P. NASDAQ. Let's check out NASDAQ. NASDAQ already took out the low, see? Let me erase this shit. I'll do this shit quick. Oh yeah, NASDAQ already took out the low. Oh yeah, let's see something here. Wait a minute, my peoples. We might have a trade here. Look at this fucking shit in here. Look at this shit. Look at all this fucking wicks. This is a fucking mess. Why did I just fucking did that? Why did I just mark all this right here? Why? Because I'll tell you right now. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. Bottom imbalance. Bottom imbalance. You have to everything. All of it. Now we wait for market shift break to the upside. Where? Here. with the bodies here. This high here, right here. This high right there, right there, right there. That high right there has to, this candle has to come up and close up here with the bodies. Once it comes here with the bodies, and he breaks to the upside, then we're watching for a pullback. I'm sorry, Uber Mensch, can I come? I'm not getting you. What? Come, can I come up and, or you gonna ignore me? How? What are you talking about? You asked anything? Yeah, just a what? Yeah, just a bad. I don't understand what you're saying. So see, now it broke. Now I'm a bad trader. Okay. If I'm a bad trader, see you later. Don't be in my life. So now next candle has to give me a fair value gap in here, and that's my signal that bitch is going up. This is bullshit. Look at this shit. It's crazy. That's a bottom imbalance in here. In here. Want this candle to stay close on top. Closes on top, we're gonna have a pullback. On that pullback, we look to enter. Yeah, 5 minutes. The 5 minutes here. I look for my entries in the 5 minutes. I look for my buys in the upper time frames, and my entries are 15 5 minutes. You see this swing high here? Also, it's right there with this one. See how there's two swing highs at the relative equal highs here? If it closes underneath, I'm not interested in bullish anymore. See how he's closing underneath? We have 1 minute and 30 seconds. He has to close on top. And then we need a pullback. So we can go up here. My money up here. Mad clean here. See how clean it is? Nothing has come to the upside. Clean up here. And we have, what's this? Relative equal highs up here, see? Yeah, there's two highs here, relative equal highs. Yeah, 2 weeks, yeah. Yes, sir. Mark that. What did I tell you? What happened with the trade earlier? That from yesterday, the wick, right? Nothing has come up here yet, right? Look at this week. This week got what? got balanced out with this move here. He's not closing on top yet. We got 18 seconds. 15. That means this is probably a run on stops. It's bearish again. Yeah, closed, yep. So that means it's a run on stops. See where it wants to go. That's why you don't want to trade in the, you don't want to be in the market when it's in the middle of the range. See, he wants to volume imbalance. See what he wants to do with that one. I'm a bad trader because I don't take a trade. You're never gonna be profitable in trading, my friend. See, if you take this trade, look at where your stop loss has to be. I don't want that. I don't like that at all. I like my stop loss to be protected by APDRA. Okay? If you would have gone in this trade, you would have been fucked. Why? Because it did not close on top of the high. You see what I tell you? Did not close on top of the high. A lot of people see this. Ah, he broke to the high. He broke here to the high. No, people, not here. Let's close up here. Why? Because this is the last up candle before the move down. See? This is the last up candle. Up high before the move down. And then it's going up. It has to break on top of here to go up. If it doesn't, it's going down. You got it. Risk management. Mere risk management. It would have taken my stop loss. Now you're fucking pissed. Oh my god, I bought this shit. Oh my god, it went down. Why did I buy this? Why? No, it's coming down. I hate trading. Trading is a fucking scam. I can't do this no more. Psychology is off the roof. Your heart's pumping 1,000 fucking pumps a minute. You might have to go to the bathroom and throw up. I'm sorry, but it's true. But it's true. If you don't believe me, go to YouTube and on the search bar search for losing traders, funny losing traders videos, and watch that. That shit's funny as shit. People lose thousands. I mean, 50, 70, 20, 30 grand, 40 grand, 70 grand. Crazy. Check out this gap, this wick right here, and this right here. See, he left all this open. I bet you. I'm not even gonna go there yet, but I bet you S&P 500 is taking the lows. Look at that shit. It's coming down for the stops that I want. He didn't even take out the high here. Look at it. He didn't even want to close on top of this high here. Look at this shit. People think that there's a high, people. It's a high, not a low. It's a high. Boom. See, why aren't you in this trade? Why aren't you selling? That's not my move. That's not what I wait for. I need to see my. Thank you for the follow, believe and succeed. Thank you for the follow. I need to see my model get created. If my model's not created, I don't trade. My model was created yesterday with gold. That's why I traded my gold yesterday. This is my model. I'm gonna show you my model right now, okay? I show you my model. My model is I am not going to point at it, but here in here, do your work, do your homework, and let me know what you find in here. In here, there is a hangman. There is a break of market shift. There is a inverted fair value gap, and that's it. Inverted fair value gap, hangman, and the box trade. That's what I look for. If it's not there, I'm not trading. It's in here. In here. Box trade I already showed you, so you don't have to show me that. I want you to show me the hangman and the inverted fair value gap. If you know. And boom, see ya, and I don't know how to trade. And see ya, look at this shit. Look at that fucking pump up all the fuck way up here. That's crazy. If I would have stayed in that fucking trade yesterday, damn. But that's a if. Now we gotta go back to the work. Now this is a fair value gap here. It's not inverted to the upside, so we're bearish. Did it break underneath these with body? See? Now it's coming back in there. Filling all this in here. Filling this up. Is this my box trade? Let me see. Is it? Ooh, this might be my box trade. Is there a hangman? Yes, there is. Fair value gap inverted. Yes, there is. Ooh, let me see something. No. Taking patrón. Okay. So once. Let me see. It's a nice trade. I think I'm gonna take it. Don't take trades on my watch. You do your own thing. I'm gonna go in the middle, go in the middle. If it goes up, we're fucked. Did it break? Yes, it did. Let's sell 10. My stop loss. Right there. My take profit. It's gonna be right here, puppy. If your stop loss is up here, you're not gonna let price go the fuck way up here to get you. This is just protected stop loss. You do not let price go all the way up there and take you out. You let if this fucker here does not hold and this candle closes on top, I'm out of the trade quick. See? I'm out of the trade quick because it's going up to get this motherfuckers up here. But it broke to the downside here, see? This is the 5 minutes. And you're not just because it went up there, you just close the trade. You gotta wait for this candle to close. Close that in a minute and 12. Now because it's up here, you close quick. Because you don't know if it's that many, it comes right back down. Candles are not valid until it closes here. Until it closes here. When it closes here, and this watch and this clock time here, when it closes, then it's a valid candle. Why did I take this in the middle? Run the stops. I don't care about the wicks. Wicks are gaps. The stops are on top of the bodies. We can't trade here, Rise. We're not good traders here, Rise. Don't do this, Rise. We're not good traders here. You heard? This is my first year trading live money too. I can't see the inverted fair value gap in here. It's in here. Where is it? Right here. Right in inverted fair value gap. It's going up, peoples. Let me see. How long we have? 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes for this candle to hold. So from this high to this low, it's a fair value gap. It did not invert it here. It went up and then it came back down. Boom. Then it inverted it. It used it here, it came back down and went back up. If it goes up, if this candle stays up, I'm out of the trade. And then I look for to go up and come and reclaim this fair value gap to the upside. How long we have? 3 minutes. Hold on. Yeah, I don't want to get confused. Oh no, it hasn't. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, see, that's why I don't like a lot of lipstick on my fucking shirt, cause I get confused. So this is your inverted fair value gap. See, right in the middle. The other one is the bottom imbalance. Way up to here, cause that's the highest candle from that. From this low here, that's the highest candle there. That's this one right there. So from this low to here is balanced with all these right here, see? And then from this high here to up here is not. Now it is. You see? Check. Moved it. So from this high here, down is balanced. You needed to balance up here. So it balanced this right here. It went up, tagged this right here. I don't want it to go back up here. I want to leave this as a runaway gap. I don't want it to close on top. If it doesn't close on top, this is gonna be our runaway gap. Fuck that wick. We'll take it later. And then we can come back down. You cannot close on top of this of equilibrium of this gap here. What time is it? 10:30. Other thing is, right, also when you see a fair value gap, it cuts through candles. See, it cuts through them. It's not because they used it here and he used it here, you're all set. No, B. No, not at all. Not at all. That shit cuts through candles. So you can reuse it over here in the future. Another thing, if you put in a trade, you look at time. Look at time. If you put the trade in at 10:30 and at 10:35 it hasn't moved, you get the fuck out. Get out. You get out. It's not gonna move. Your trade gotta move quick. Quick. If it doesn't move quick, you're out of the trade. I'm out. I'm giving it another minute. If it doesn't move bearish, I'm out. See, I'm listen to me. I'm gonna take this straight out. It's listening to me. You see that shit? Exactly. When you're looking left, you have your future, because you can't look at the future without having a past. Am I right? So you look at the past. What had happened in the past? You taking all highs, took out the 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 highs. The lows intact, lows intact, lows intact, lows intact, lows intact. Everybody here is happy and making money, making money, making money, making money, and they don't know it broke shift to the downside here. So now he's gonna start doing what? Looking for lows. If he broke to the downside already, see how he broke to the downside with this low breaking to the broke here, and it stayed. Candle stayed, bodies down. It doesn't matter. It goes back up. It has to fill in this imbalance before going down. This is an imbalance right here. Filled it in. I don't want this gap up here to be filled. I want it to leave it and drop. And I don't know how to trade. Don't listen to me because I don't know how to trade, people. Okay? Don't listen to me, people. Don't listen to. I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to trade. So now we're looking for what? We're looking for a lower low. Maybe here, taking out this stops, then come back up, making a what? A lower high. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Until it gets too close to where it wants to go, and then it's just gonna fucking drop and take everybody out because it doesn't want anybody getting out of their position. Understand? Out of their buys. They don't want nobody getting out because they want their money. They're after money, people. They're after money. They're not here fucking just going up and down. They're not here going up and down just because of the fuck of it. You know what I mean? I don't go to work just because of fuck. I go to work because I gotta pay fucking bills. So these fucking people gotta pay their bills also. So what they gotta do? Build liquidity. They gotta build liquidity. It took this highs here, right? That means they sold everything they had in their pockets to the buyers up here. When he came back down, he took out sell stops here. But there's no buy stops here. There's nothing here. Let me show you real quick. See? When this took out the low, there's nothing here for them to come up and take buy stops. So what they gotta do? They gotta make up for it, right? So if they make up for it, how do they make up for it? Tricking people into fucking buying early here. And then coming up here and tricking people into what? Selling early. And then he took them out. Buy stop. See ya. Now we can go down. Understand? People here now, they bought. Now they're fucking scared because this motherfucker came down right here. A lot of people got out. A lot of people with this move said, nah, that shit's going up. I'm going to put my stop loss right here. What's happening now? What's happening now? This is in-day. This is intraday liquidity, my people. Intraday liquidity. You got that right, Rise. You got you. Dude. There you go. So if you're soft to the heart, you cannot be a trader. Cannot be a trader, because you know that if you win $20, somebody else lost $20. What is it doing here? If it comes down, this is gonna be my mitigation block. Mitigation, that's a PDRA. PDRA. You know what a mitigation block is, Rise? You know what a breaker and a mitigation block is? No. Don't trade live money, please. Live money, don't trade. Your psychology is gonna go off the roof. So mitigation is when companies buy here, right? They buy here. They're bullish. Market starts coming down. Now they're in the negative. When this comes down and breaks it to the downside, this is gonna be my order block. Okay. When it comes down, it takes out the low right here, and it takes this people out here. Now they're underwater. When they're underwater, if this is gonna be a mitigate, well, it's turning around. Let's see what happens. So when they're under here, now they're underwater. They got big pockets because they're big companies. They got mad money, so they're under. They can go draw down for a lot of money. So don't worry about that. Once it comes back, he's telling them get out of your buying position and get into a sell position here. So when they come back up here, they come out at break even, so they don't lose any money. You see that? In here, this block right here, they come back, boom, they get out, break even. And then they put their sell orders here, and then price drops. So mitigation, it's a high. It's a high. Oh, let me do it with this one. Hold on. Let me do it with this. It's a high, right? Pull back. Another high. Cannot take out this high here. See that? It cannot pass this high here. Okay? So this high right here is protected high. That's where your stop loss goes. Once this comes down, that's your mitigation block right here. You see that? You wait for a pullback to the middle of this right here, this low here. And then price drops. You see that? Watch how it happens here live. It's happening live right now. If you don't see it as that, well, if you don't see it, that's because you're new and you have no inform. You have a lot to go. But if you see this, if you see this right here, now, so I'm waiting to see if it wants to come back up here and then drop. Oh my God, you do not know how to fucking trade. Stay like that. Stay a bad trader. I'm gonna stay a bad trader, okay, my people? I'm gonna stay a bad trader. I'm gonna be a bad trader the rest of my life. But I'm gonna make money though. That guy is never gonna be a profitable trader because he's not letting information get into his brain. You understand? If you let information get into your brain, then your eyes are gonna see it. Oh my God! Support. This is support. Support and restrictions and resistance traders. Buy this bitch. This is support. It's support. Look at 1, 2. It's not going down. It's not. Buy. See ya. Support and resistance don't work, my peoples. I just took a trade right in front of you peoples, huh? How you like that one? How you like that one? And I don't know how to fucking trade. And I saw it right in front of you guys, right in front. It's true. Right, it's true, man. I'm telling you. I don't do my resistance, my support and resistance are my PDRAs. That's it. PDRAs are my support and resistance. And then my signal is displacement in the market. If there's no displacements, there's no signal. There's no displacement, no signal. There's no displacement here into here. Boom, I'm going up. So in here, if you're trading in here, you're getting fucking killed. You gotta wait for displacement. You see? With the displacement, I know I'm going up. But you need a fucking pullback. Where's it gonna pull back to? It's not gonna. If it's in a hurry, it's not gonna pull back all the way down here. Like people, it's already up here. It's already up in premium, deep premium. So why you expect the market to come down here to then go back up? No, I don't expect it because it's up and up there. So I expect it to just come down to where bottom imbalance. Look at that shit. How it's hold it right there. Bottom imbalance. Boom, up. Right, going down where auto block. Boom, up. As long as you understand and know the PDRAs, you're straight. Because all we have to look for is highs and lows. Once you find your high and your low, just look for your PDRAs. In premium, you're looking for what? What are you looking for in premium? Bullish PDRAs. And what you're looking for in if you're in discount. I mean in sorry, my bad. In premium, you're looking for bearish PDRAs. In discount, you're looking for bullish PDRAs. When you're at premium, you want to see bullish PDRAs getting killed. What's a bullish PDRA? I'll show you one right now. Wait a minute. Let me see one that got killed. Right here. This low here took out this low here. It's an auto block when it crosses it. See, he broke it to the downside. It did not respect it. Okay, this one right here, this big ass bitch auto block right here. Why is this an auto block? Because he took out this lows right here, and he came into here, and he took out this low here. And when he went up, he made it an auto block. When he came back down, he's not respecting it, right? This is a bullish auto block, not respected. So now he's gonna respect what? Bearish auto blocks. Which one is my bearish auto block? Right here, this is my auto block right there. Why? Because it went traded into the bottom imbalance in here. Took out this highs here, that's my auto block. On the way down, it's coming to that auto block. So you gotta just wait for it to come up, reprice to it, drop, reprice to it again, and then drop. You just gotta be patient and wait. Once you put in a trade in, and you're watching it, you want it to take out your high. You're on the way down, you want it to take out your low. Once it takes out this low here, once it takes it out, from 10 I'm going down to 5. Or maybe, let me see how far we have. We got a long way to go. I think we're going all the way down here, I believe. Let me see. Okay, we're going here. I don't like that candle. This sell stops underneath here, and this is a low inside busy, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So we're going here. I'm gonna keep my take profit there, but you can watch it going down. You can maybe watch going out to 3332. Okay. This is gold, my people, gold. So once you put in your trade and it crosses your first low, you gotta pay the trader. Who's the trader? Yourself, knucklehead, yourself. So you go from here. Nope, sorry. You go here, and you go here. You just close partials, partial close, right? You gotta wait till it breaks the high, cause the low. Once it breaks the low, then you're sure enough that it's going down. Once it breaks it, then you take your partials, you pay yourself, and then you put your stop loss to break even. Cause you don't know if he wants to take this low out and come back out to take these bitches out up here, which I don't think so. But anyways, just in case, you put your stop loss at break even and you let your trade go. Once he takes your second high, your second low, that's close to down. Once he takes the second low, then from 5 you go down to 2 and you pay the trader again, and then you let the rest go down and see if he wants to come down here. Once once you take your second partial down, then your stop loss goes from break even to the low that just broke at, and you're gonna be a what? If it goes back up, you're not gonna lose any money. You see that? Not losing anything if it goes back, because you already paid the trader once, twice, and if it comes back and takes you out, you're straight. You understand? So you can leave runners just in case he wants to go all the way down here. You can put your stop loss. You can put your take profit all the way down here. See? All the way down there. All the way down. You can put it all wherever you think it's gonna go to. This is an auto block, not retraced to. You see that? That's why I put it there. I just saw it right off the corner of my eye. So if I can put it here, and I just manage it. Once I take out two, then I leave one and just leave it. And that one runner will make more than the two that the whatever made up here. But you gotta wait for it to break underneath the low. Okay? When it breaks underneath the low, then you put your stop loss to break even. When it breaks underneath the second low, then you put it to your first, to where you first broke the first low, and then you just leave it. And then when it starts going down, then you can put your stop loss at the second low. And then you're fucking done. You're done for the day. You're gonna go on vacation, go to the fucking mall, buy yourself a fucking nice watch, pay your fucking bills and not work. Understand? It's breaking through it now. But do not do nothing now. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. You got 33 seconds to close, and it has to close underneath. You already took out the low there, you see? So it can come, this is why I tell you, it can come down to the mitigation block. Down. That's what I'm looking for. So it has to break underneath here. Once it breaks underneath, boom, you take out 5, down. And then you wait for it to come back, down. Don't get scared because it's going up here. Don't get scared. This shit should not scare you because that's auto block here. Now, if for any reason this bitch doesn't want to go down no more, and it breaks and it closes on top of here, then you get out. That's your auto block. It should respect the mid threshold of the auto block right here. See, auto blocks you use bodies. Fuck the wicks. On PDRAs you use the bodies. On highs and lows, that's when you use wicks. Okay, so on auto blocks you use the bodies. Once the price closes on top of here, now you're out of the trade, but you already got paid, so you're good. You see, if it crosses down the low of it on the top, you're watching this bitch. You're watching it. It's gonna come here, probably come and then go down. If it goes up here, I don't want it to go up there. I want it to just come here and down. That's how we know we're really weak. That's how we know we're really weak, if it doesn't go up to the middle of the auto block. Okay, so my peoples, that's it for my live. Thank you for being here with me. God bless you all. Good luck to all traders. Remember what I just said. If you took this trade with me, remember what I just said. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9:15. God bless you all. Have a great day. You're welcome. You're welcome.